Here's a video on how to remove that App Store icon off your iPhone home screen, or even wipe it completely from the app library. And if you're missing, I'll show you how to bring it back on your iPhone. Please note that if you are using a school or corporate exchange account, it may restrict your App Store. To fix this problem, you need to contact the school IT department or your office. As you can see here, the App Store icon is available on my iPhone home screen. To remove the App Store icon, press and hold the App Store icon and select the Remove App option. Then, select the Remove from Home Screen option. Now, if your App Store is missing, you can use the App Library. Swipe right to see the App Library. Then, drag and drop the App Store icon to the iPhone home screen. Alternatively, you can use Spotlight Search from the middle of your home screen. Open the Spotlight Search, type App Store in the search bar. Once you see the App Store, press and hold on the app icon and select the Add to Home Screen option. If you don't see the App Store icon, it might be turned off by screen time restrictions. Launch the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll to the Screen Time section. Again, scroll down to Content and Privacy Restrictions. Tap on App Installations and Purchases. Select App Store and select the Allow option. Now go back to the iPhone home screen, and you can find the App Store via Spotlight Search. You can now add the App Store to the iPhone home screen. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for the latest tips and tricks videos.